how to reset feed in Facebook. So if you want to reset your feed in Facebook, then what you need to do is first, you just need simply make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Now you need to open up your Facebook, launch your Facebook application. After launching, you need to go with your profile, which will be on the bottom. And from your profile, you need to go with the upper left, which has that 3 horizontal lines. From here, you need to go with settings and privacy, and then tap on settings. And now if you scroll down a bit, you will find content preferences. Click on it to open the options for customizing your feed. Next, under the content preferences, you will find an option to unfollow. So tap on unfollow, and you will see all of the pages, groups, and people that you are following. So simply unfollow all the pages that you don't want to see in your feed anymore, and it will reset your feed. You can also change your favorites, or you can go with reconnect and connect with some more people. With this, you'll be able to reset your feed. That's it. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching.